Hey, it's Mr. Focus here. Let me tell you something most people never realize. We dream all day about the life we want, yet when evening comes, we waste it. We scroll, binge watch, or just sit there too tired to do anything meaningful. I used to do the same, trust me, even worse. But then I discovered a system that transformed my evenings from lost hours into the most powerful part of my day. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too. So grab a pen. Because what you'll learn in the next few minutes could completely change your life. Here's the truth. It's not about habits. It's about identity. If you keep saying, I'm trying to be productive, your brain still thinks you're not. Say instead, I am a focused person. That's who you're becoming. Every tiny action is proof. 5 minutes of reading, that's you being a learner. A short walk, that's you living as a healthy person. See, success isn't about willpower. It's about proving to yourself, one small step at a time, that you are the person you want to be. Everyone talks about time management. But let me tell you a secret, without energy, time is useless. You don't need more hours, you need more power. Here's what I do. I track my evening energy curve. From 5 to 7 p.m., my energy dips. That's when I relax, recharge. From 7 to 9 p.m. Boom! My energy rises again. That's when I do my best work. Find your curve, protect it, and add little energy snacks. Stretching, water, a quick walk, simple, but they make all the difference. This one saved me. When I didn't feel like doing anything, I told myself, just do 2 minutes. 2 minutes of cleaning, 2 minutes of writing, 2 minutes of push-ups. Guess what? Once I started, I almost always kept going. And even if I didn't, I still won. Because I kept my identity as Mr. Focus alive. Here's how I design my evenings. Block 1. Release. I shut down work completely. Laptop closed. 3 deep breaths. Block 2. Recharge. I learn, read, or move my body. Block 3. Connect. Time with family or friends. And one golden rule. Digital sunset. 1 hour before sleep. All devices off. Not silent. Not just 5 more minutes. Off. That's when my brain finally resets. You don't need 10 habits. You need one keystone habit. For me, it's planning tomorrow before I sleep. That one thing reduces my stress, helps me sleep better, and gives me clarity in the morning. Ask yourself, what's the one habit that would make everything else easier? Start there. Here's something nobody talks about. Your social battery. Some people charge you up, others drain you. I'm not saying cut people off, just balance. If you spend time with someone who drains your energy, give yourself quiet time after. Protecting your social energy isn't selfish. It's how you stay focused for what truly matters. When I first heard this, it blew my mind. Any strong emotion, anger, stress, fear, chemically lasts only 90 seconds. After that, it's your choice to keep feeding it. So when I feel triggered, I breathe. I name the emotion, and I let it pass. Trust me, this little pause can save your whole evening. Here's how I keep life exciting. I run small evening experiments, sit in a different chair, use my other hand for something, play a song I've never heard. These tiny changes trick my brain into feeling more alive, because novelty slows down time. And when time feels slower, you feel like you actually lived the evening. So my friend, don't wait for motivation, don't wait for someday. Pick one idea from what I just shared, and try it tonight. Remember, your evenings are the foundation of who you're becoming. This is Mr. Focus, and I believe in you. Now go make tonight count. And hey, if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share in the comments what habit you'll start tonight. I'll see you in the next video.